Welcome. In front of me is a CUBOT X19 S, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this phone. Now for this we'll need a SIM ejector, which comes provided normally with a device in the box, but you can also use a paperclip, straighten one of the ends, and it should work just as well. So once you got one of those, you want to pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left side of the device. So you can see where the pin is holding right now. And once you push it in, the tray pops out. And you can take it out, and here you have space for one SIM card and one SD card, or two SIM cards. Now if you're planning to use two SIM cards, you place one of them on the SD tray like so. But because I'm using both trays individually, I'm gonna move it over and drop this in here, and there we go. So now let's insert it back into the device carefully. There's nothing really holding those cards in place, so they could pop out. For some reason doesn't want to go in. Oh, there we go. Oh, now as you can see, the SD card just popped out a little bit. So watch out for this. Don't try to force it in. Okay, there we go. So now that both of the cards are in, you can see there is the SIM card pin because my SIM card is protected. So I'm gonna confirm that to unlock it, and obviously the SIM card is working. Select no, and SD card is working as well, which you can see on this notification right here. So that is how you'd insert SIM and SD card into this device. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.